Well, the first thing is to avoid going it alone, that nobody makes it through infidelity recovery in a vacuum. You're only going to make things worse if you try to clean up this mess yourself. I know that's hard because there can be shame around what's happened. There can be fear around letting others into the circle with you. But the reality is you need support. Your spouse is going to need support. And it really helps to have somebody in your corner, whether that is a minister, whether that's a mentor, whether that's a counselor or an infidelity affair recovery coach, somebody in your corner who knows this territory and has walked with others through it. They're going to help you not step into some of the common pitfalls that can happen, such as, and perhaps the biggest one, the dribble effect. The dribble effect is when you give part of the story, but not all of the story, and the information dribbles out over time, each time tearing off a scab of that wound and damaging trust more. That when you do disclosure, you want help structuring that so you do it well and avoid the dribble effect. So find somebody to walk alongside you in this. You can make it through it. Many couples survive infidelity and actually have a healthier and stronger relationship on the other side than they did before the infidelity.